6 Gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 2 ports and 1 RJ45 serial port. Holes on both sides for heat dissipation to increase internal airflow. The back panel supports VGA display output and DC power input. The main interfaces of the machine are all set on the front panel for easy management. Now let's look at the internal structure. Here is the slot for the mini PCIe interface which supports the Wi-Fi module. Here is the SATA SSD and on the right there is a SATA interface for adding additional hard drives. Efficient heat dissipation fins and cooling fans. Above is the single-channel DDR3 memory slot. Here is the interface of external power supply which supports DC 12 volts. Now we demonstrate how to manage the router. First, please prepare the hard disk to install the system. Plug into a matching power supply. Connect the Gigabit network cable to the Ethernet port of the machine. The other end is connected to your management device. Here I am using a USB network card connection. Now explain how to enter Microtik OS. First click on the network management, open the properties of the USB network card. Find the IPv4 protocol, double-click to open. Manually set the IP address to the same network segment as the router management address. The last paragraph differs from the device. Fill in the management address of the root in the browser. Fill in the default password. We can see that all 6 Ethernet ports are recognized, and the highest support is Gigabit. If you installed Sense, remember to insert the network cable from ETH0 to ETH1. In the same way, open the network settings. Change the IP address to the same network segment as Sense. The last digit is different. Browser input management address. Enter the initial username and password. We can see the processor information and memory information of our machine. If you need to change the language, please find the third item in the upper system bar. Find the language option in the localization column, find your usual language. Click Save and wait a few moments for it to complete. Okay, then see you next time.